What is Bitcoin and how you can earn from it? Today, we delve into the world of digital currencies. Bitcoin, the name that has been buzzing around the internet and has been the talk of financial circles for quite some time now, is much more than just an online trend. In simple terms, Bitcoin is a type of digital currency, more specifically a cryptocurrency. This means that it is a type of money that exists solely in the digital world. It's not a physical coin or note that you can hold in your hand, but rather a line of secure code that you can use to buy goods and services online, or even trade for other currencies. One of the most intriguing aspects of Bitcoin is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or the euro, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any single entity such as a central bank or government. Instead, it operates on a network of computers spread across the globe. This ensures that no single organization or individual has control over the currency, which is one of the reasons why Bitcoin has become so popular. Now, you might be wondering who created Bitcoin? Well, that's a bit of a mystery. Bitcoin was invented in 2008 by an individual or perhaps a group of individuals who used the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. To this day, the true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto remains unknown. Bitcoin is based on an innovative technology called blockchain, which we'll delve into in the next part of this series. But for now, just know that it's this technology that makes Bitcoin secure, transparent, and reliable. So, Bitcoin isn't just an internet buzzword, it's a whole new financial phenomenon. This digital currency has revolutionized the financial world and has the potential to continue doing so in the future. But like all investments, it's important to tread carefully and do your research before diving in. Stick with us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of Bitcoin. To understand Bitcoin, we first need to unpack the technology that powers it, the blockchain. So, imagine a digital ledger. Now, this isn't your grandma's ledger with handwritten entries, but a public, digital one that contains all transaction data from anyone who uses Bitcoin. This ledger isn't stored in one place, but is distributed across numerous computers around the world, making it decentralized. This decentralization is one of the key features of blockchain technology, ensuring there's no single point of failure or control. Now let's delve a little deeper. Transactions made in Bitcoin are added to blocks. Think of these blocks as pages in our digital ledger. Each block contains a list of transactions, but, unlike pages in a conventional ledger, once a block is filled with transactions, it cannot be altered or removed. It's like carving transactions in digital stone. These blocks are not standalone. They are linked to each other in a linear, chronological order, creating a chain, hence the term blockchain. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data. This cryptographic hash is a sort of digital fingerprint that uniquely identifies each block and all of its contents. So, why does this matter? This unique design ensures that once data is added to the blockchain, it's nearly impossible to change or remove it. This makes the blockchain incredibly secure. And this security is one of the reasons why Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have gained popularity. Moreover, because the blockchain is public, it provides transparency. Anyone can view the transaction data contained in the blockchain, making it a highly transparent system. However, it's important to note that while transactions are public, the identities of the people making those transactions are kept private. In essence, blockchain technology ensures transparency and security in the Bitcoin network. Now that we've grasped what Bitcoin is and the technology behind it, you might be wondering, how can I earn Bitcoin? Well, let's dive right in. The first method to earn Bitcoin is through mining. Imagine you're a digital gold miner. In the world of Bitcoin, mining involves using computer power to solve complex mathematical problems. When these problems are solved, the miner is rewarded with Bitcoin. But remember, this process requires a significant investment in computer hardware and electricity, so it's not for everyone. The second way to earn Bitcoin is through trading. Think of it like a digital stock market. You can buy Bitcoin when the price is low and sell when the price is high. Trading can be exciting, but it also involves a certain level of risk, as the price of Bitcoin can be highly volatile. It's not uncommon to see large price swings in a single day. So, if you decide to venture into Bitcoin trading, it's important to do your homework and understand the market trends. The third method is through holding Bitcoin, often referred to as hodling, in the crypto world. This is a long-term strategy where you buy Bitcoin and hold on to it, hoping the price will go up over time. The idea here is to ignore short-term market fluctuations and focus on the potential long-term value of Bitcoin. It's a bit like buying a valuable antique and waiting for its value to increase over time. Lastly, you can also earn Bitcoin through services and products. Some businesses accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, and there are even digital platforms where you can earn Bitcoin by completing tasks or services. Remember, each of these methods comes with its own set of challenges and risks. It's important to do thorough research and consider your financial situation before diving in. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are exciting, but they're also a new frontier, with plenty of unknowns. From mining to holding, there are several ways to earn Bitcoin, each with their own set of advantages and risks. Bitcoin, since its inception, has shown immense potential. But what exactly does this mean for you? Let's start by taking a trip down memory lane. When Bitcoin was first introduced in 2009, it was worth virtually nothing. Fast forward to today, and it has become a juggernaut in the world of finance. This meteoric rise has not only turned early adopters into millionaires, but has also established Bitcoin as a viable investment choice. Now, why has Bitcoin become such a popular investment, you ask? Well, there are a few reasons. First off, Bitcoin offers high liquidity. This means you can quickly and easily convert your Bitcoin into cash or other assets, which is a big plus for any investor. Secondly, Bitcoin has the potential for high returns. While the value of Bitcoin can fluctuate wildly, those who've been patient and held onto their Bitcoin during these swings have often seen impressive returns on their investment. Of course, it's important to note that past performance is not indicative of future results, and investing in Bitcoin is not without its risks. Lastly, Bitcoin's growing acceptance as a payment method has bolstered its potential. More and more companies, from small businesses to multinational corporations, are accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. This broadening acceptance not only increases the utility of Bitcoin, but also adds to its value as an investment. Now, it's important to remember that while the potential rewards are high, so too are the risks. The price of Bitcoin can be extremely volatile, and there's also the risk of theft from hackers. Therefore, if you're considering investing in Bitcoin, it's crucial to do thorough research and understand the risks involved. The potential of Bitcoin is vast, but it's crucial to remember that with great potential comes great risk. Be smart, be informed, and as always, tread carefully in the exciting world of Bitcoin. Before you dive headfirst into Bitcoin, it's important to understand the risks involved. So let's pull back the curtain on this exciting yet complex world of digital currency. First off, Bitcoin is notoriously volatile. Its price can swing wildly in a matter of hours, sometimes even minutes. One day you might be on cloud 9 watching the value of your Bitcoin soar. The next you could be staring down a steep drop. This volatility isn't for the faint-hearted, it's a roller coaster ride that could lead to significant financial loss if you don't strap in properly. And that's not all. Bitcoin operates in a regulatory gray area. There's no central bank or government to oversee transactions or intervene if things go south. This lack of regulatory oversight can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's part of what makes Bitcoin so appealing, offering freedom from traditional banking systems. On the other, it leaves users vulnerable to potential scams, fraud, and market manipulation. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is still relatively young and can be a wild west of sorts. Stories of people losing their life savings are as common as tales of overnight millionaires. It's crucial to keep a level head and not get swept up in the hype, and this is where thorough research and risk management come into play. Understanding the intricacies of Bitcoin and the factors that influence its value can help you make informed decisions. Consider diversifying your investment portfolio to spread the risk and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Seeking advice from financial advisors or seasoned crypto enthusiasts can also provide valuable insights. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of Bitcoin, it's your best defense against potential pitfalls. Navigating the Bitcoin landscape can be tricky, but with careful research and risk management, you can steer your ship safely. So, keep your eyes open, your mind sharp, and your investments wise as you venture into the thrilling, tumultuous seas of Bitcoin. So, we've explored the world of Bitcoin, but what's the final takeaway? As we've journeyed through the digital labyrinth that is Bitcoin, we've uncovered some intriguing gems. We've learned that Bitcoin is a decentralized currency, free from the control of any government or institution, and powered by the fascinating technology of the blockchain. This technology brings an unprecedented level of transparency and security to transactions, making it an attractive feature for many. We've also discovered the various ways one can earn Bitcoin. From mining, the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain, to trading on cryptocurrency exchanges, or simply holding on to Bitcoin as a long-term investment. Each method has its own potential benefits, but remember they also come with their own set of risks. That brings us to the potential of Bitcoin. With its finite supply of 21 million coins, the value of Bitcoin has the potential to increase over time. However, it's crucial to understand that this potential is not a promise. The cryptocurrency market is notorious for its volatility, with prices that can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. And this volatility brings us to the risks involved in Bitcoin. As exhilarating as the world of Bitcoin may seem, it's not without its dangers. The market's volatility can lead to significant financial losses if not managed properly. Therefore, it's paramount to conduct thorough research, understand the market trends, and assess your risk tolerance before diving in. Bitcoin indeed offers exciting opportunities. It's a pioneering force in the financial world, paving the way for a future where digital currencies could become the norm. But remember, it's not a guaranteed ride to riches. The world of Bitcoin is a wild roller coaster ride, filled with thrilling highs and daunting lows. So, before you buckle up for this ride, equip yourself with knowledge and a well-thought-out strategy. Stay informed, stay safe, and who knows, you might just strike digital gold. That's it for our Bitcoin Uncovered series. We hope we've given you a comprehensive understanding of the ins and outs of this pioneering digital currency. Now we'd love to hear from you. What other topics would you like us to delve into? Do you have any more questions about Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you found this series informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes let us know that we're on the right track and motivate us to keep bringing you more content like this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Remember, your feedback helps us create content that you want to see, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and remember, the key to success in any field, including the world of cryptocurrency, is knowledge. Keep learning, keep exploring, and who knows, you may just strike digital gold.